welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice and I am the mother of 5 children. I have 5 kiddos, one of whom is autistic, and I have, so let me tell you their ages, if I can remember. Yeah. Why's my hand so dry? Hold on. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I'm back and hopefully I'm no longer ashy. Ugh. So sad. Bath and Body Works had their sale the other day where you get body care for like $6. So there's no reason why I should be ashy. Anyways, that's not why you're here. So let's get into, wait, I'm too dark. Alright, so let's get into why you're here. So I have 14-year-old twin boys. They are fraternal, one of whom is autistic. And I'm also the mother of a 12-year-old little girl. God help me when she touched teenage years. I'm also the mother of a 8-year-old, soon to be 9-year-old boy. And lastly, but not least, definitely not least, I have a 4-year-old. Well, she just turned 4, toddler. Oh. So I have a range of children. So I will link my toddler. I split it up. I split the video up where I did my toddler, and then I'm doing my teenage boys, and then I'm going to do my daughter, and then my, well, I might combine my daughter and my son together. But if I was to do both of them together, all of them together, it'd just be too long. So anyways, let's get into the video because I've been talking for way too long. Jason, he likes Legos. He's been collecting Legos for the longest, and he's very specific about his Legos. I don't know why. So I just got him this. It's not a set or anything. It's just pieces, and he prefers those versus, you know, the big set that you get. So this year they wanted same. They wanted the same of everything. Like. You would think that because they're twins, they want to be different, but no. They wanted to be, you know, I don't know. So I've separated their piles. So the first thing that they are getting are socks. They need socks. I don't know what my boys are doing with their socks. Their dad said, you don't want to know, but I got them socks because evidently I don't know what they're doing with the socks. If you're a mom, you know what boys are doing with their socks because, yeah. So I got one of them socks, and then they asked for headphones, so I delivered, and they were very specific. That was upside down. They were very specific on what type of headphone they want. Headphones. These are earphones. Not headphones. What's the difference? This was $5.99. They wanted the mic and to be able to control the volume. So there's that. And then to go with their socks, to go along with their socks, I got them some underwear because boys need underwear. They're growing, right? They're not going to be too happy with that. And then to go along with that, I got them some body wash cares because I don't know about y'all boys, but my boy stinks. I don't know. They just stink. Boys stinks. So I got them some Dove Men Plus Care. I got them that. I was going to stick them in their stocking, but we do secret stocking stufferers around here. So you don't know who's stuffing your stocking until the day of Christmas. It's fun. Trust me. You should probably do it too. My son, Jason, he loves ramen noodle. That boy will eat ramen noodle all day, every day. So I found these. They're underwear, but I thought they were really, really cute. And I think he's going to get a kick out of it. So it's just instant boxers. And I got this from TJ Maxx. And I was like, ooh, that's cool. I have their stuff in bags here, so that's how I keep track of kids' gifts and who got what and who needs what. You know, he wanted a hoodie, so he loves PlayStation. So I just got him this PlayStation hoodie, and it just looks like that. So he wanted clothes this year. That's how I know my boys are growing up, because they wanted clothes. And then he asked for sweatpants. So I was like, okay. So I just got him these gray sweatpants with the little that he likes these where the foot is like tapered. Is that a thing? And then I got him another one. He just asked for one. Their budget was $300, but somehow I went over. So each child I bumped them up to $500 each because I felt like it just wasn't enough money to give them all the basic necessities that they need. Like these are stuff that they will need. Other stuff are just wants. You know what I mean? So I got him this blue one, and that completes. And then I got him an Adidas shirt. I'm not gonna unravel this. Got him Adidas shirt to go with the sweatpants and the thing. I was gonna get him shoe, but I couldn't find any. I don't know what's going on in the stores. Everybody's buying up everything. So that's all the clothes item. Next up, he asked for Uno, and you know I'm extra. I went and got the Uno Showdown situation. So that's what he's getting. So he asked for that. And I got him a game for his PlayStation. This was on clearance thing for $5. I don't know how much he's gonna like it, but it was $5. $5 compared to like $60. Anybody got time? So yeah, he's gonna be playing that. And then what else did I get the boy? So for his big gift, I gotta be really quiet 'cause he's downstairs. That's why the house is like really quiet, because I'm pretty sure they're out there listening to what I'm saying in here. But for his big gift, I got him this to go with it. Can you guys guess what it is? Oh my gosh, it's just a case. And there is also something else that's coming in the mail. I probably can't insert it because I don't even know what to look for. But there's one more gift that I'm waiting on for this big gift. And he asked for, yes, he got one last year and his sister sat on it and broke it. So I had to replace it. So he wanted the gray one. So I went ahead and got him that one, and that's just going to be his big gift because this thing was not cheap. Wasn't cheap. So that's what he's getting for Christmas. And next up is Jordan, who is my autistic son. He is a sweet boy, bless his heart. He said he was very modest in what he asked for. I think he mimicked a lot of what his brother asked for, because he just didn't want to come out right and say what he wanted, because that's just how thoughtful he is. He won't tell you what he needs or want. He will mimic someone else. I don't know what that's about, but I had to like push to get him to tell me what he really wants. But I tried my best with him. He's a little difficult. Oh, and Jason is getting Animal Crossing. It was behind me. I think about the same. I don't know. For Jordan. So up next, he's getting a lot of the same things. Because like I said, he asked for the same thing that his brother asked for. And he's getting headphones. I'm going to keep his stuff over here. That way it doesn't get mixed up. And I got him boxers. This is going to be fast because like I said, it's the same thing. I got him body wash. I got him socks too, but they can open these and split them. So there's the really long ones, and then I got short ones, but I just gave one each. So they can open this and split, where each get half and half. You know what I mean? But I got him some socks, and yeah. Then I'm all confused right now. I got him the black Adidas shirt, like his brother. They don't like to dress alike. Well, I've never dressed them alike since they were babies, because I feel like with twins, I feel like I buy double of everything, and it just feel like a waste of money when I'm buying two of the same thing and same color, same style, and it's just like, waste of money. So I've never dressed them alike, because if you guys don't know, I am an identical twin. I have an identical twin sister, and growing up I knew the struggle of always looking alike. Nobody knew your name. Nobody, you just struggle with identity, you know, thing. Like, you just felt like you weren't an individual, because everybody treats you as just one unit. Like, oh, there go the twins. Like, the twins have a name. My name is Janice. They never when I was growing up, I rarely ever heard my name. And when I had my twin boys, I vowed never to do that to them, like have them dress alike and look the same. No, even though it was cute, I just didn't want to put my boys through that. So I try not to dress them alike, but they like the same thing. So I usually find it in like different style or different color. So he wanted a hoodie as well, so I just got him the smiley face. And if you know Jordan, I don't know. He likes graphic things, like really dark things like skulls, and I'm like, no, baby boy, no. I got him a sweatpants. This is different from his brother, but it's the same. It's gray, and then it has a tapered leg. So I got him that, and then I got him a black one as well. Or is this gray? Gray and black. Gray and black, the same thing. That's what I got him. And then I got him a video game, because he also plays PS4, but he's not really. I got him this. It was $5. I don't know. And then for him, he likes my blankets, so I got him a blanket, and I got his brother one as well, but I already put it in a box, so they'll match. And then for his big gift, it's the same. He's getting the same thing. This is what he wanted. This was what he was saving up for when he was working during the summertime. You know, he didn't get a chance to save up enough money, so he wanted this. This was like his big gift. But with Jordan, him and technology, he gets into a lot of trouble. Like, he goes on there and search for really wow stuff. So I kind of have to monitor him with this, because he got his tablet taken away. He got another game system taken away. He doesn't have access to the internet on all of that. So this is, I have to monitor him, because he's very, I don't want to say sheltered, where in which he doesn't know what he's doing. I don't know. I really don't know. And if you guys have a teenage son that has autism, and for me, this is a learning, you know, anyways, I'm gonna cut this video short, because I feel like I'm all over the place. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys were able to get inspiration from this, and yeah. This is gonna make them really happy Christmas morning, because I told them that I wasn't able to get my hands on them. So that's why I'm getting my twin boys for Christmas this year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.